Business intelligence in the enterprise hasn't changed much in the last 20 years. The general process of extracting, transforming and loading data from many different sources into a data warehouse, where business analysts work with data experts and report developers to slowly churn out insights, which takes weeks and often months to produce, leaving business users frustrated and often fend for themselves. This is the box business intelligence has been stuck in for the past 2 decades. However, many users often require access to other data sources. Instead of waiting for this data to be available within the data warehouse, it's often imported into spreadsheets where users blend in data from different sources. However, these numbers are no longer verifiable, and these spreadsheets are proliferating like crazy, showing just the scale of how business intelligence has failed in the enterprise. In today's reality, data is now being pulled from cloud, machine learning, predictive, and big data sources inside and outside of the firewall. This is becoming the rule rather than the exception, and there are no real solutions in place to address this hazardous reality. And this is why spreadsheets have exploded in the enterprise. Spreadsheet data is often stale or inaccurate, and updating them on a daily basis is incredibly manual, time-consuming, and error-prone. The numbers are generally untraceable, and there is very little oversight in validating the numbers and calculations in these spreadsheets. And of course, all of this creates an operational risk, which could be a whale of a problem for many enterprises. Clear Analytics replaces the chaos of spreadsheets with a platform which can flexibly pull data from any data source and inject data directly and cleanly into spreadsheets, and distribute them in a secure, traceable, and auditable manner right within Excel. Even third-party analysis tools can also pull data via Clear's RESTful APIs, which means data can even be pulled by other systems within the enterprise, effectively making Clear Analytics a virtual data hub that can automate the delivery of data from one system to another. By securely centralizing and managing spreadsheets, emailing spreadsheets is a thing of the past. Nor do you need to dump spreadsheets into shared folders anymore, where it can often be a little confusing to know which is the latest and greatest spreadsheet you need to use. Clear Analytics enables for the first time non-technical business users the ability to gather and analyze data themselves in a safe and sanctioned way. With the explosion of data and the ever-tightening shortage of data analysts, giving businesses the ability to collaborate cannot come soon enough. Taking the flexibility and power of spreadsheets away from businesses is a futile endeavor. Clear Analytics surgically removes all the key operational risks associated with spreadsheets, turning a liability into an asset. Users are continuing business as usual within spreadsheets while leveraging the latest in Agile BI and logical data warehouse methodology. This is truly disruption without the need to retool or re-educate the workforce. We thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.